चेंज माने चेंज हिस्ट्री सेटा चेंज कर आपण जन कागज पठेछन से कागज रे जहाँ चेंज हिचे सेटा चेंज एक चांस रे तो आगे पकाइथिबे ना अपन के पठाला पर आगे को होदा लन आती आगे को करा हला सेट कली तापर आपण पठाले से कागजटा एंट्री करबा लागि कागज पठाले आया हां हां अलग अलग सीट ना हाँ लास्ट आर के तीन लोगों तो समान ही बोला सेम हाँ नहीं केन थाने आगे करो तो 16 रू नेला के जीआई पोलो अब हाथी आगे करो तो आगु बस नहीं तो नहीं इने केतला अच्छे मुई भी बुझी नहीं पाले एटा आपण पाके गले एटा करो तो संध्या आड़ की जीवी
Recording in progress.
Hello, am I audible, student? Let me know through chat box. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Yes, okay, done. So, dear students, today we'll start a very good chapter, that is basic of mathematics set theory. And all of you must have read the chapter in your school. ମୁଁ କେବଳ କଣ କରିବି ନା ସେ ସବୁ ତାକୁ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ୱାଇଜ ବ୍ରଶ ଅପ୍ କରିଦେବି, ମାନେ କଣ କଣ ସବୁ ଥିଓରି ଅଛି, ତୁମେ ସବୁ ଥିଓରି ଠିକ ଠାକ ମନେ ରଖିପାରିବ ନା ନାହିଁ, ତାପରେ ଆମେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବା। प्रथम पॉइंट 1 को दिबा, आगे गोटे सेट को केमती डिफाइन करबा, गोटे सेट रो मीनिंग कोन हम जानबा। राइट डाउन पॉइंट 1, a set is a collection of well defined objects. A set is a collection of well defined objects. पहले well defined का मीनिंग कोन हमें बुझिया दरकार। सर साउंड प्रॉब्लम सर। ओके, ये वेल डिफाइंड करता है, बुझा वेल डिफाइंड का मीनिंग कौन, जो ऑब्जेक्ट मान को हमें डिमार्केट कर परिबा, जो ऑब्जेक्ट मान को हमें आइडेंटिफाई कर परिबा, जो ऑब्जेक्ट गुडी को पर्सन टू पर्सन चेंज हो नथबे, सेमान कर कलेक्शन को हमें सेट बोली कहबा। फॉर एग्जांपल, कलेक्शन ऑफ natural number less than 5, collection of natural number less than 5. Tell me what are the elements those who belong to this set. हमें यदि कहा के क्वेश्चन पचारिबा कलेक्शन ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स लेस देन 5, जदि मिस्टर एक्स को हमें पचारले से कहबो 1 2 3 4, जदि मिस्टर वाई के हमें पचारिया से मध्ये कहबो 1 2 3 4। पहले वर्ल्ड वाइड हम जहां को कहबा कलेक्शन ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स लेस देन 5, इट विल बी 1 2 3 4, पर्सन टू पर्सन डिफर करनी। पहले तेबेठी हम कहबा ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर वेल डिफाइंड। जदि मैं एग्जांपल दिबी, जदि मैं एग्जांपल दिबी कलेक्शन ऑफ इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट्स collection of intelligent students in BJB college, collection of intelligent students in BJB college. Here the objects are not well defined. काहे कि पिला ऑब्जेक्ट गुडा well defined हेलानी, कारण बीजेबी मु जदि गोटे पिला को कहली, सपोज मिस्टर ए कहली टू इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट मानकर कलेक्शन दियो, से सपोज तीन तीनटा दि तीनटा पिला का नाम देला राम लक्ष्मण एंड बिग पर इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट कर गोटे सेट तैयार करो, से नेला। So intelligence can't be measured properly. Intelligence of a student can be measured from different angles. Here objects are not well defined. Similarly, जब आगे एक example दिबा, collection of problem. तपस बाबू टे तळକୁ ଆସିବେ କି? हेलो तपस बाबू, Then come to naming of sets, second point. Naming of sets. Generally, sets are named after capital English alphabets such as A, B, C, D, etc. एमती किसी हार्ड एंड फास्ट लाउड नहीं तुम गेम पर ABCD नवा बोले जब स्मॉल a स्मॉल b स्मॉल c क्वेश्चन में दिया है दैट स्मॉल a इज अ सेट हमको भी आज्यूम करिया पड़िबो स्मॉल a को सेट बोली किंतु यूजुअली हमर बुक्स मानकर ABCD एम सब कैपिटल ले लिखा थाई थाए एवं तार सब जो एलिमेंट्स गुडी को जो मेंबर्स जनरल मेंबर्स आर रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय small a small b small c etc. Right? Then come to element of a set. Each and every member of the set is called an element of the set. Suppose A is the collection of vowels. Collection of vowels in English alphabet. Collection of vowels in English alphabet. The set contains the objects A, E, I, O, U. Here we can say A is an element of set A, E is an element of set A, and also U is also an element of A. Mathematically, आप लिखवा केमती E symbol stands for element. It is read as A is an element of A, or A is in set A, or A belongs to set A. A collection रे D absent अच्छी हमने तो कहा D is not an element of A, D doesn't belong to set A, or D is not in A, or D is not an element of set A. Then the next point is representation of a set. Generally, a set is represented in two different ways. First method is known as tabular method. And the second one is called set builder method. First is tabular method, second is set builder method. How to write a set or how to express a set in tabular method. In tabular method, we should write all the elements of the set within a pair of curly braces, and each element should be separated from the other by a comma sign. For example, suppose A be the collection of prime number, collection of prime numbers less than 10. Collection of prime numbers less than 10. Here is the set of prime numbers less than 10. The elements of this set are, first we should write with a curly bracket. First prime is 2, 3, 5, 7. This curly bracket ଭିତରେ ଲେଖିବା ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ element ଠାରୁ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ element comma symbol ଦ୍ୱାରା separate ହେଇକି ରହିବ. Then the second one is set builder method. Set builder method, otherwise known as formula method. अच्छा मैं लिख रहा तो पेज सेटा मारले तो होनी set builder method or formula method. Set builder method, instead of writing all the elements, we should write a law or the formula which is known as the common property of the elements, and that property should not be satisfied by any other element. If we write a set, A is the set of all x such that x square minus 4 is equal to 0. It also property method or formula method, it x square minus 4 is equal to 0. So who will satisfy this equation? X is equal to plus 2 and minus 2 will satisfy this equation. Hence the elements of this set are 2 and minus 2. For example, another example, suppose it is a set containing the elements 2, 4, 6, 8. If you want to represent this set in set builder form, so what is the common property of all the elements present in this set? All are even numbers. So we can write this set as A is the set of all x such that x is equal to n, where n is a natural number, n belongs to n. Similarly, I would set number, let B be the set containing the elements 3, 9, 27, 81 and 243. Right? After that, we set builder express kariba. B is the set of all x such that x is equal to 3 to the power n, where n is a natural number and n less or equal to 5. And n less or equal to 5. This is the set builder form. Then there is next point. Cardinal number or cardinality of a set. Cardinal number or cardinality of a set. The number of elements present in a set. The number of elements present in a set is called cardinal number or cardinality of the set. If A be a set, then its cardinal number or cardinality is denoted by mod A or n of a. N of a means number of elements of a. ମୁଁ ଆଉଥରେ ବି କହି ଦଉଛି କାରଣ ତୁମେ +2 ରେ ଯାହା ପଢିଛ ସ୍କୁଲ ରେ ସେଇ କନସେପ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ବ୍ରଶ ଅପ୍ କରିବି। ଆଉ जेई ର କେବଳ प्रॉब्लम लेवल इज डिफरेंट बट थ्योरी इज ऑलमोस्ट सेम। ताले ए जदी गोटे सेट अछि सपोज पिले ए कंटेन द एलिमेंट्स अल्फा बीटा गामा डेल्टा। So cardinality of A is equal to 4. If an element is written more than once, it will be counted once only. For example, if A be a set containing the elements P, Q, Q, R, 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 then the cardinality of set A equals 3. If Q 2 times it will be counted once. If R 3 times it will be counted once. এবং ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଯଦି ଆମେ କିଛି ଅର୍ଡର ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରୁଛେ ସେଟ ରେ ତାହେଲେ ବି ସେଟ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହବନି କି कार्डिनालिटी चेंज हबनी। That instead of writing alpha, beta, gamma, and delta, if I write beta, gamma, delta, alpha, then set remains same and the cardinality also remains same. Cardinality is equal to 4. Clear? Okay, guys, is it clear to you? I hope you understand it. Then the next point. अच्छा चैट बॉक्स रे टिके जोना सब ठीक ठाक अछि ना नहीं किछि प्रॉब्लम फेस करछो कि let me know through chat box. Okay, okay, fine. The next point, fine. Next point is different types of sets. Different types of sets है। First one is one null set or empty set or void set. Null set or empty set or void set. Null set or empty set or void set. Same thing. Toda null set कहबा सेटा को empty set कहबा सेटा को void set बोली कहबा। A set having no element, a set having no element is called a null set or an empty set or void set. जो set रे किसी भी element ना थिबे and generally it is denoted by phi and generally it is denoted by phi. phi टा को एमती लिखबो बहुत पिला अछन एमती भी लिखंती जदि phi टा को एमती लिखि देले आमे जानबा जे इट इज ए set where phi is an element and the set will be a singleton set, not an empty set. Okay, so phi set को जदि हमें set tabular form रे represent करबा only data curly bracket लगेबा no element is there to be listed, so it will remain vacant. And if you want to represent the phi set or null set in set builder form or formula method, you have to take an absurd collection, the collection where you would get an element. For example, x is the set of, what does it mean? Double कर देले x say x मानकर element, say x मानकर set where x is a month containing 32 days. एमती किसी 32 दिन मास अछि कि किसी ना थी ताले हम एठी कोन करिया एठी एलिमेंट के मिलबेनी। सपोज मैं आउट एग्जांपल लिखबी set of all x such that x is not equal to x. Set of all x such that x is a real number and x square is equal to -1. X is a real number and x square is equal to -1. So x square is equal to যদি -1 নবা তাহলে x কত হবে? X will be root over of -1. Root over of -1 is either I or -I. Okay? এটা দেখুন কিন্তু পড়ো করে ভিডিও করে দেখো তাহলে দেখুন वो ভিডিওটা থেকে তখন দিয়েছি okay. This is null set or empty set or void set. Then we should go to next page. Singleton set. ये बोरिंग लगुଥିବ ପିଲେ ଚାପ୍ଟରଟି ସେମିତି ଏଥିରେ କିଛି ପଢିଲା ପରେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କଲେ ଆଉ ବୋରିଂ ଫିଲ୍ କରିବନି a set having only one element is called a singleton set. A set having only one element is called a singleton set. For example, A be the set containing the elements alpha only. B be the set of all x such that x is an even prime. X is an even prime. I mean, even prime केवल गोटी अच्छी तरह B set contains the elements 2 only. Okay. Then our next point is finite and infinite set. Finite and infinite set. It a finite or infinite we define according to their magnitude. With a finite number of elements, the set will be finite set. With an infinite number of elements, set will be an infinite set. So no need to write. Only just try to understand. Suppose A be the set containing alpha, beta, gamma. Here we can count the number of elements. The cardinality of A is equal to 3. Hence we can say that. Yes, Priyanshu Pradhan raised hand. But कौन point Priyanshu Pradhan आप देखिए ठीक है देखिए और क्वेश्चन पूछा ठीक Priyanshu Pradhan raised hand. So please explain. Please retell. Oh, retell now to tell. अच्छा प्रियांश तुम सुनी पारला नहीं ओके फाइनाइट एंड इनफाइनाइट सेट फाइनाइट सेट कहला माने जोटी फाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स थिबे जो सेट रे एलिमेंट का काउंट कर परिबा से सेट को कहला फाइनाइट सेट जो सेट रे एलिमेंट वन का काउंट कर परिबानी दैट इज कॉल्ड जोटी लिमिटलेस elements are there then you can say that an infinite set. For example, if A be the set containing the elements P, Q, R, S. Now we can say the set A is a finite set because the cardinality or cardinal number of set A is 4. If you take the set natural number n set of natural number, set of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. If the dot DH means infinite number of elements are there, then we can say that this is an infinite set. Infinite set. Did you understand, guys? Is it clear to you? Okay, let me know through the chat box. Hello. Yes. Okay. Then next is Priyanshu. Yes, Priyanshu. Priyanshu. Then subset and superset. Subset. Let A and B be two sets. If each element of set A is also an element of B, if each element of set A is also an element of B, then A is called subset of B. Let me explain you through an example. Suppose set A contains the elements alpha, beta, gamma, and set B contains alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Data case simultaneously another set containing ABC. Here you see in the first case, all the elements of set A is also an element of B because alpha belongs to set A, also belongs to B, beta belongs to A, also belongs to B, gamma belongs to A, also belongs to B. Now you can say that A is in the first case, A is a subset of B. In the second case, each and every element of set A is also an element of B. So A is the subset of B. কিন্তু দুইটা কেস ডিফরেন্ট লাগুଛି এটি দুইটা কেস দেখলে এই যে ফার্স্ট কেস রে বি সেট has an extra element than A কিন্তু সেকেন্ড কেস রে A set and B set have same sets same elements ତେଣୁ ଏଠି ଆମେ କଣ କହିବା ଏଠି in the first case A is called proper subset କେତେବେଳେ ହେବ ନା ଯେତେବେଳେ subset ହେଉଥିବ but not equal subset but not equal ହେଲେ ଏଇଟା is a proper subset ଯେତେବେଳେ A ଟା proper subset of B ହେବ ତାହେଲେ B is called superset of A B is called superset of A ଏଠି କେବଳ କହିବା subset यार ये जो टर्मिनोलॉजी रे गोटे एम्बिग्युइटी अछि एनसीईआरटी जेतले लेखुची एनसीईआरटी जे प्रॉपर सबसेट लेखुची जेतले ए सबसेट ऑफ बी सेठी कमांड ए नॉट इक्वल टू बी लेखुची एठु हम जानते जे ए जे प्रॉपर सबसेट जोटी सबसेट एंड इक्वल सेटा के एमटी सिंबल रे रिप्रेजेंट करती किंतु आईआईटी जेतु जो करती जेतले सबसेट नउची सेमती डबल सिंबल दोची एटी यार मीनिंग होची सबसेट आइदर सबसेट हबो और इक्वल हबो एवं जोटी प्रॉपर सबसेट हबो सेटी एमटी हबो तेनो आमे एतरे बोर्ड पे लिखिबा देखो ए सिंबल यूज करबा आ जेतरे जेई वगैरह क्वेश्चन पेपर लिखबा जेई वगैरह क्वेश्चन पेपर रे एमटी सब सिंबल आस्तो बुझियला कितले सबसेट बुझि पारलो Write down a note point. Phi set or null set is the subset of every set. And it is the smallest subset. Second point, each set is a subset of itself. Each set is a subset of itself. Then come to equality of sets. Write down two sets, A and B, are said to be equal if they contain same elements, not the same number of elements. That is possible only when A subset of B and B subset of A. તમે બોર્ડ લેવલ રે કોઈ લોંગ ક્વેશ્ચન ના આન્સર કરતો તો પ્રૂવ କରିବାକୁ ଦିଆ ଅଛି so that this set is equal to this set ତାହେଲେ ଦିଟା set equal prove କରିବା ପାଇଁ it is enough to show that they are subset of each other. If A is the subset of B and B is the subset of A, then we can say that A equal to B. For example, if set A contains 1 2 3 and set B contains 1 2 3. If set A contains 1 2 3 and set B contains 1 2 3, now you can say that these two sets are equal sets because A is the subset of B and B is the subset of A. Then come to equivalent sets. Two sets A and B are equivalent if cardinal number of A equals to cardinal number of B. जदि data set or number of elements same रहुची, cardinal number same रहुची, then we can say that these two sets are equivalent sets. For example, if A be the set containing the elements P, Q, R and B be the set containing the elements 1, 2, 3. You see the cardinality of set A is equal to 3 and the cardinality of set B is also equal to 3. Hence A is equivalent to B. So guys, two equal sets are equivalent, but the converse is not necessarily true. Note it down. Two equal sets Swagatika, please repeat. Yes, कोटा बुझ पाले Swagatika ये जो equivalent sets ना equality of sets. Let me know through the chat. Swagatika, can you hear me? Let me know. So which part you didn't understand? Oh, proper subset. Okay. Proper subset. Proper subset and equivalent set. Okay. Proper subset का कोई बात subset का लिखे तो कोई बात देखो subset not equal जब हमारे subset रे definition को होची A set अच्छी B set अच्छी if each and every element of set A is also an element of B then we can say that A is a subset of B ताले set पे हम case 1 में जो मुने B A गोटे set नेले A set रे element नेले P Q R ए सेट रे एलिमेंट नेले PQR, बी सेट रे एलिमेंट नेले PQR। ताले एठी तो सबसेट रे डेफिनेशन मानि गेला। सबसेट रे डेफिनेशन कहछि ए सेट रे प्रत्येक एलिमेंट बी सेट रे दरकार, ठीक अछि। ए सेट रे PQR अछि, बी सेट रे भी PQR अछि, देन वी कैन राइट ए इज द सबसेट ऑफ बी। सेकंड केस में जिबी ए गोटे सेट नेले, ए सेट रे एलिमेंट नेले अल्फा बीटा गामा, बी सेट रे नेले अल्फा बीटा गामा डेल्टा। ताले एठी ए रो प्रत्येक एलिमेंट बी रो अछंती, एटा मध्ये हम कहबा जे सबसेट, किंतु याद रो गोटे होची ओनली सबसेट आ गोटे होची प्रॉपर सबसेट। प्रॉपर सबसेट केतबेले हेतबो जेतबे सबसेट हबो एंड नॉट इक्वल टू, माने एठी ए सबसेट होची बट ए नॉट इक्वल टू बी, हियर यू कैन से दैट ए इज ए प्रॉपर सबसेट ऑफ बी। A will be the proper subset of B only when B set should have at least one extra element. ये सेट रे जेतिका एलिमेंट थिबे सेतिका थिबे, ता छडा अति कम रे गोटे एक्स्ट्रा एलिमेंट जदि रहिले, देन वी कैन से दैट A is a proper subset of B। ये फर्स्ट केस होता है A सबसेट ऑफ B, बट A is also equal to B, देन एटा केवल सबसेट कहया। केवल सबसेट जदि तुमको कोहा इंफॉर्मेशन दिया छि A subset of B is given information, then the sudden conclusion is either A is a proper subset of B or A is equal to B. Okay, did you understand? Hello, let me know through the chat box. Is it clear to you? Pragatika from RWSS. RWSS na Pragatika? Yes. Okay, then equivalent sets. So for equivalent sets, two sets are given. Two sets are said to be equivalent if they contain same number of elements, not the same elements. The mandatory is to have same number of elements. For example, if A contains the elements PQR and B contains the elements ABC, what is the number of elements in case 1 in set A? Number of elements in set A is 3. Number of elements in set B is also equal to 3. Now we can say that set A and set B are equivalent sets. But here set A and set B are two equal sets. So two equal sets are equivalent, but the converse is not necessary to true. What does it mean? Dita set जब equal दिया ची, ताले से माने equivalent हेबे ही नेबे। जदि dita equivalent दिया ची, से equal है ही परंती, ना भी है परंती। से पहले कितनी two equal sets are equivalent but the converse is not necessarily true. Okay guys, is it clear to you? Let's move forward. The next point is power set. Power set. What is power set? Write down, let A be a set. Oh, slowly करिए अच्छा ये speed है जाऊँगी okay slowly करेगा okay power set suppose हम A गोटे set देइची हमें तार power set लिखवा power set of A is denoted by PA PA लिखला हमें कौन बजिबा power set of A ताले जानिया दरकार who are the elements of the power set of A the set of all possible the set of all possible subsets, the set of all possible subsets of a set is called power set of the set. Power set of the set. चल एग्जांपल थ्रू रे बुझिबा. सपोज हमको एक सेट देछि 1 2 3. या सो पॉसिबल सबसेट न जो जो माने या सो सबसेट होई परिबे. प्रथम देखबा टेकिंग नो एलिमेंट एट ए टाइम we will have a subset and that subset is your null set. Null set is the subset of every set. Second, taking one element at a time, we will have some subsets. Taking only one, then केवल one होचे, it will be subset of A. केवल two नले, it will be subset of A. केवल three नले, it will be also subset of A. अच्छा, how कौन possible subset है पर taking two elements at a time. यदि मु 1 2 नली, it will be a subset of the set A. यदि 2 3 नली, yes, it will be subset. 1 3, yes, it will be a subset. पहले no element at a time किसी subset पहली, taking one element at a time कितने subset पहली, taking two elements at a time कितने subset पहली, taking all the elements will have a subset. That set is set A itself. That is 1 2 3. This is also a subset of set A. ताले एमान को element नहीं जबा, एमान को यदि हमने element नबा, A तक कितने लिखिबा 5 हाइड अपने ब्रैकेट रे लिखिबा नहीं. ब्रैकेट लेके सिंगल टर्म सेट है जो 1 2, this is power set of it. 3 1 2 2 3. पुटी इधर पुटी. कोड ऊपर है. हाँ, okay. 1 2 1 3 2 3, then 1 2 3. Okay, this is the power set of it. Very important point. Note it down. Sometimes in J mains question is asked on power set. If cardinality of A equals to n, that means if a set contains n elements, then the cardinality of power set of A equals to 2 to the power n. यदि A set का cardinality n अच्छी, तले power set of A का cardinality 2 to the power n हमें लिखिबा. यार तो प्रूफ पिले करिया आवश्यकता नहीं, तथापि मैं तुमको कहि दउची किस्टा प्रूफ करिया पाई ए गोटे प्रूफ कर दे खाली देखै बुझै दउची तो कॉम्बिनेटरिक्स. सही ओके चल बेलो फिर अपने नेक्स्ट पे चलो. अच्छा, A set contains if A mod is equal to n, then power set of A mod equals to 2 to the power n. A set will be n elements of the power set of A will contain 2 to the power n elements. Yes, that works. suppose a set is the element of this element number set A contains A1
Recording in progress.
The question is a set A
Recording in progress.
subsets of B then find the value of m into n. It is a PY2 previous year question. I think it was asked in 2022 year 2021. Okay. Exactly, I don't remember the year, but it's a previous year question. Now you guys try to solve it and let me know the answer through chat box. Then I will go explain it to you. Okay. I want to make the session very interactive. So only 2 minutes I'm giving you. Let's try to solve it. Yes, class will be completed at 3:30. Anybody can answer the question? N4, yes, N4. N7, yes, you are correct. Somnath Science College, Diptimai Sahu, yes. N7, N7, yes, N7, N4, N7, N4, Muniguda. Good, good, good. Okay, let me 4 and 7. Okay, M into N is will be 28. Okay, let me explain the answer. So set A has n number of elements. So the number of sets A will be power set of A. Cardinality of a power set of A is equal to 2 to the power n. And the number of elements in set B is n. So power set of cardinality of a power set of B equals to 2 to the power n. Right? So 2 to the power n minus 2 to the power n is equal to 112. So let 2 unknown, one equation is a Diophantine type equation which needs manipulation. Okay, I can manipulate करके solve करिए. If you take 2 to the power n as common from the left hand side, it will be 2 to the power n times 2 to the power n minus n minus 1 equals to 112. So write 112 in canonical factorization form or prime factor decomposition. It will be 2 to the power 4 into 7, that is 16 7 जा हमें जोटा ओडिया रे कोचे 16 सप्ताह हला 16 7 जा is 112. Now compare the left hand side with the right hand side. 2 to the power n will be equal to 2 to the power 4 because no power of 2 will be equal to 7. So 2 to the power n is equal to 2 to the power 4 implies n equals to 4. Again 2 to the power n minus n, 2 to the power n minus n minus 1 equals to 8, sorry 7. 7. 2 to the power n minus n equals to 8. This is equal to 2 raised to the power 3. So m minus n is equal to 3. Already we have obtained the value of n. Substitute here. So we'll get the value of m. M is equal to n plus 3. What is the value of n? Value of n is 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So the value of m is equal to 7 and n is equal to 4. So the product m into n will be 7 4 the 28. Okay. Okay, guys, let me check the chart. Okay. I didn't understand. Saraj, okay, Saraj. Let me repeat it again. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's come to the question. What is given to you? A is a set and B is a set. The number of elements in set A, try to understand. The number of elements of set A is n and the number of elements in set B is equal to n. A set re n element achi, B set re n element achi, and it is given the number of subsets of A is 112 more than the number of subsets of B. So A re jetikita subset achanti, B re jetikita subset achanti. A ra subset ru संख्या रू B रा सबसेट ना संख्या यदि माइनस कर दवा it will be 112. like A रे यदि m एलिमेंट अछंती the number of subsets of 2 to the power n कारण मु एबे फार्मूला कहली A रा कार्डिनल यदि n अछि पावर सेट ऑफ A रा कार्डिनल केता 2 to the power n ताले यार कार्डिनल केता 2 to the power n B रा सबसेट केता जो 2 to the power n 2 to the power n minus 2 to the power n is equal to 112. एतिको पाइ गेले एटी कोन बीटा अननोन आसला कोन गोटे m आ गोटे n बीटा अननोन गोटे इक्वेशन कले सेटा को जे डायफेंटाइन इक्वेशन तो डायफेंटाइन भी सॉल्व करे तो मेथड बहुत अलग अछि जोटा हमें ओलंपियाड पय पढे थाउ किंतु एठी कॉमन सेंस बा मैनिपुलेशन अप्लाई करके हमें सॉल्व कर दवा ए इक्वेशन में 2 to the power n minus 2 to the power n is equal to 112. If you take 2 to the power n as common from the left hand side, that will give you 2 to the power n into 2 to the power n minus n minus 1 is equal to 112. ये 112 टाको मु एई जो लेखली एटा बोधे किछि पिला बुझि पार नथिबे ताको प्राइम फैक्टर डिकम्पोजिशन जत्रा करबा 112 को आगे 2 रे डिवाइड करबा it will give you 56. Again it will divide it to 28. Again you will divide it to 14. Again you will divide it to 7 ଆଉ ତ 7 7 ତ ପ୍ରାଇମ୍ ଆସିଗଲା ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ କେତେ ଲେଖି ପାରିବା 2 to the power 4 into 7 ତାହେଲେ 2 to the power n yes Muni Buddha raised the hand sir can you explain Venn diagram yes या ପରେ ମୁଁ ଆସୁଛି Venn diagram ଆସୁଛି या ପରେ ଆସୁଛି Venn diagram ତାହେଲେ 2 to the power n into 2 to the power m minus n minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 4 into 7 अच्छा ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ कंपेयर କରିବା ଦେଖଥିଲେ 2 ର କୌଣସି ପାୱାର 7 ସହିତ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ ହେଇ परिबନି ताले 2 to the power n टा या सହିତ इक्वल वाला बाउंड so 2 to the power n equals to 2 to the power 4 implies n equals to 4 again this one will be equal to 7 2 to the power n minus n minus 1 is equal to 7 2 to the power n minus n equals to 8 this is equal to 2 to the power 3 so m minus n equals to 3 n equals n plus 3 what is the value of n n is equal to 4 so n equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 I hope it is clear to you okay 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 guys let's move forward so next is Venn diagram first of all we should know what is Venn diagram we can define it pictorial representation of a set is called Venn diagram. Pictorial representation of a set is called Venn diagram. Or we may say visualization of different relations, visualization of different relations between two sets. Okay. Pictorial representation of set is called Venn diagram or visualization of different relations between two sets. Generally, sets are represented by circular region, universal set is represented by rectangular region. Universal set, I will let you know what is universal set. Okay. Universal set is represented by rectangular region. Other sets are represented by circular region. For example, if A be the set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, if we want to represent the set pictorially or through Venn diagram, we should अनेक बहरे भी देखते हो एमती किसी लेखा न एलिमेंट्स सेठी अज्यूम करा जाए सपोज करा जाए जे all the elements of set are present inside the circular region बुझियला then come to operation on sets operation on sets रे हमें केमती प्रेजेंट operation on real numbers like addition subtraction multiplication division सेमती सेट्स मान को ऊपर मध्ये केते गुडे ऑपरेशन अछि से ऑपरेशन गुडा सब डिस्कशन करिवा what are the operations first is union second is intersection third is difference fourth is symmetric difference एडा तो एनसीईआरटी सिलेबस रो कटि जाईची स्टेट बोर्ड रो अछि कि नाही आई एम नॉट श्योर बट जेई सिलेबस नाही बेसिकली एई तीनटा हम इ करबा एंड देन अनदर इज complement of a set so guys let's come to discuss union एते पले लेखोनी आ लैंग्वेज रे कारण तादरे बहुत टाइम जाउची दी तुम समते अच्छा जानि चा ए यूनियन भी केमती लिखता है हमें and it is defined as set of all x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. What does it mean? If A गोटे सेट अछि B गोटे सेट अछि दीटा सेट रे हम यूनियन नबा ताल से A यूनियन B रे को माने एलिमेंट आइतबे जो माने आइदर A रे एलिमेंट आइतबे और B रे एलिमेंट आइतबे that means A union B contain the elements those are elements of set A elements of set B and the elements of both for example if A be the set containing the elements A B C D and B be the set containing the elements C D E F if A be the set containing the elements A B C D and B be the set containing the elements C D E F then A union B तल को मन में A एलिमेंट रख दवा आगे लिस्टिंग कर दवा A B C D तापर B एलिमेंट B रे पुणी C D अछंती C D आ हाथ लेखबे न कान जेते थ लेखले थरे काउंट हबो एंड E F ओके तल या द्वारा हम कंक्लूजन पाइले A union B सेट नु गोटे एलिमेंट जदि आर्बिट्रली पिक अप करिया से कार एलिमेंट हेतिबो आइदर से A एलिमेंट हेतिबो और B रे एलिमेंट हेतिबो और बोथ रे एलिमेंट हेतिबो ताले इति गोटे नोट पॉइंट हम लिखबा x belongs to A union B that means x is an element of A union B x belongs to A union B implies that either x belongs to A or x belongs to B x belongs to A union B implies that either x belongs to A or x belongs to B तले इति यूनियन पॉइंट तो सिंबल एटा रहला तुम पे बोर्ड रे जिते क्वेश्चन करछो ता पे कनेक्टिव यूज करछो और बोले लिखुछो यूनियन पे कनेक्टिव हेला केते और ताले x जदी a यूनियन b रे एलिमेंट हे नथिबो एते हम कहबा अल्फा डजंट बिलोंग टू a यूनियन b अल्फा तो a यूनियन b रे एलिमेंट नुहे अल्फा जदी a यूनियन b रे एलिमेंट न होला ताले से कार एलिमेंट हबनी a रे हबनी b रे भी हबनी ताले जोटी और कनेक्टिव होची यूनियन पे जदी डजंट बिलोंग लागि दिबो सेटे कनेक्टिव और न नेबे कि कनेक्टिव ता कोन हेजिबो एंड हेजिबो ताले हम इतले लिखबा सेकंड पॉइंट रे एक डजंट बिलोंग टू a union b implies that एक doesn't belong to a and एक doesn't belong to b. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Then represent the union of two sets in Venn diagram. That yes, okay. So Venn diagram दिया पर तुम तीनटा एग्जांपल करिया चाहछि काहे ना तुम गोटे भलो अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिया हबो एग्जांपल 1 नबा सेट A contains 1 2 3 and set B contains 2 3 4. Then A union B will be 1 2 3 4. Same number of elements in that case nochi. In second example, set A contains alpha beta gamma and set B contains delta theta phi. A union B will be alpha beta gamma delta theta phi. Example 3 में भी A set A B C B set A B C D. Here A and B will be A B C D. ए तीनटा एग्जांपल नंबर मीनिंग को काहे नउची ए केस रे देखो ए केस रे यूनियन बी केते एलिमेंट्स पहले 4 एलिमेंट्स ए केस रे यूनियन बी केते एलिमेंट्स पहले 6 एलिमेंट्स ए केस रे यूनियन बी केते एलिमेंट पहले 4 एलिमेंट्स ताले ए यूनियन बी ता केते बेले हमको मैक्सिमम वैल्यू दबो जेते बेले दीटा सेट भीतरे किछि कॉमन एलिमेंट्स रहू नथिबे जदी दीटा सेट भीतरे किछि कॉमन एलिमेंट्स रहू नथिबे then A union B will give you the maximum value. Minimum value केतबेले union B रे मिलिबो जेतबेले one of the set is a proper subset of the other. If one of the set is a proper subset of the other, then we can say that is the case where A union B will be minimum. ताले आकु यदि Venn diagram थ्रू हम रिप्रेजेंट करिबा एठी केस 1 नबा सेट ए नेले एटा नेले सेट B partial overlapping sets माने some elements are common to both the sets. Some elements are common to both the sets. Our case naba non-overlapping, no element is common to both the sets. Our case naba total overlapping. This is set A, this is set B, this is set A, this is set B, set A, set B. Set A, set B को represent करिवा हमें एमटी दिबा shaded region represents A union B. Shaded region represents A union B. This is the case, the second case. This is the case where A union B will be maximum. This is maximum case. A union B will give you the maximum value when the two sets are disjoint sets. Disjoint means their intersection will be 5, or we can say that there is no common element to both the sets, and this is the minimum case. If one set is a proper subset of the other, then we can say that the A and B will be minimum. Okay, guys, is it clear to you? Hello, let me know through the chat box. proper subset. There is nothing like terminology improper subset. Subset and proper subset already I have told you. Just now I explained. Okay. Proper subset means subset but not equal. Okay. There is no terminology like improper subset. So guys, let's come to the properties, various properties of union. Properties of union. Property 1, A union A equals to A union A equals to A. Property 2, A union B equals to B union A. This is called commutative law. Commutative तो तुम्हें class 4-5 रे पढ़ते जोड़ा ओडिया तुम्हें कोच क्रम विनिमय. That is 2 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 2. 2 सहित 5 add करो किंबा 5 सहित 2 add करो, that will give you the same result. Okay. Then come to associative law. If 3 sets are there like A, B, C, and you have to find out the union of these 3 sets. तमे A सहित B की union करके तापर C को union करो, जहाँ वैल्यू पाइबा B सहित C को union करी ता सहित A को union करी will get the same result. This is called associative law. Commutative law, associative law. Fourth one is A union phi equals to phi union A equals to A. Fourth one is if A subset of B, then A union B will be B. Then property 6. If cardinality of set A is equal to M, if number of elements in set A is M and the number of elements in set B is equal to N, if number of elements in set A is M and the number of elements in set B is N, then the maximum value of maximum kumple max lekuchi, maximum value of A union B mod will be M plus N. Already I have cited the example. A union B will be maximum when there is no element common. Set A is the M elements achanti, set B is the N elements achanti, and no element is common. When we write the union of the sets, we have to list all the elements. Then automatically A union B will contain M plus N number of elements, and the minimum value of mean value of A union B mod equals max of M and N. M and N with जोड़ा बड़ा है तो कहीं की ना minimum will occur only when one set lies inside other set, the proper subset of other. Okay. यदि A टा B रो proper subset है जो ताले A रे यदि N element अचंती, B रे यदि N element अचंती, ताले minimum value केते है जो minimum value will be N. Okay. Okay guys, this is over. कौन करें? एको continue करें class को? अच्छा, टिके तो रही गला कौन करें? सब सही पड़े. अच्छा, पिलावन को view हुआ. If you are satisfied, want to extend the class for extra half an hour, then I will continue. Otherwise, I will stop here, and the rest of the things I will explain to you in the next class and explain so many problems. Also, I have given an assignment to DHSC Odisha. They will circulate it to you and you will answer it. Then I will discuss it in the next class. Okay, see, your choice. Tell me, want to continue the class for extra half an hour, or we will stop here. So majority must be granted. Yes, sir. Continue the class. Okay. So is it okay? You can continue it. Okay. 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 I class. Sir, class 11 for Sabu. Sir, notes the podium. Sir, class 10 है पर Sabu slides गुड़ा को अरे show कर देवे. Yes. 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 सब कर दवा. Sir, continue the class. Okay, guys. I think you are satisfied. So I will continue the class. Okay. No issue. Yes, all the notes I will send to you. Not only notes, ମୁଁ ବହୁତ କିଛି तुमको help କରିପାରିବି through government of Odisha. तुमको notes देबी, तुमको assignment देबी, तुम्हारे test नेबी, तारे discussion नेबी. Okay. Already assignment तो मैं दे देची DHSC की ସେମାନେ पठेଇ देबे आपण तुमମାନଙ୍କୁ. तुमने solve करके सब answer पठेइबो, then we will discuss check करिवा. ହେଲା କି? Okay, let me continue the class. हाँ लास्ट टाइम डाउट अछि. हाँ मैं एटा आ गोटे पेज रे बुझे दोछि. एई गोटा डाउट थिबो. एई तो लास्ट टाइम देखैथली जे हम तीनटा केस नेथिले वेन डायग्राम रो. एटा नेथिले सेट ए पहले मझिरे मु ओडिया एइथ पई कहूछि. जदी कोन पिला बुझी पारनो तो इंग्लिश किंतु हिंदी तो कहबी नाही कारण बहुत पिला हिंदी जानि नांति एवं आई एम नॉट आल्सो फ्लुएंट इन हिंदी. ओके. So this is the case where A union B will be maximum. This it is n element achanti, it is n element achanti. Suppose the n elements are A1, A2 up to M. If the kichi element common nanti, it is n elements achanti. B1, B2, B3 up to Bn. Okay. आमे जो तांकर यूनियन नबा A union B देखिबा सेठी कोन हबो सब एलिमेंट्स लिस्टेड है. A1, A2, A3 up to AM, B1, B2, B3 up to BN. ताले एठी टोटल कार्डिनलिटी केते हला? टोटल कार्डिनलिटी A union B mod will be M plus N. A union B mod will be M plus N, right? अच्छा मिनिमम. अच्छा जेतोले पार्शियल ओवरलैपिंग आसीबो. पार्शियल ओवरलैपिंग आसला माने किछिटा एलिमेंट कॉमन हे गेले. ए जो किछिटा एलिमेंट कॉमन हे गेले से माने द्वितीय न लेखा कि थरे लेखा बे तो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स के कमी जिवो. जेतोले टोटल ओवरलैपिंग हे जिवो जेतोले ए सेट ता बी सेट भीतर रहि जिवो. ए सेट ता बी सेट भीतर रहला माने एठी कार्डिनलिटी ता बेसी कहार. कार्डिनलिटी बेसी होची बी रो. सपोज ए सेट रे एलिमेंट नै छै n, बी सेट रे एलिमेंट नै छै n. ताले एटी कार्डिनलिटी यदि बी रो बेसी अछि काहेना बी टा सुपर सेट अछि ताले मु कहै छी मिनिमम वैल्यू टा केते होबे यूनियन बी रो. मिनिमम वैल्यू होबे ए और बी रो जो कार्डिनलिटी जेति अछि तांक भीतर जोटा बडो तांक भीतर बडो कोटा एटी हम फिगर कहै छी कोटा बडो n बडो. तेन मीन वैल्यू केते लिखिया? मीन वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू n. मीन वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू मैक्स ऑफ m एंड n लिखाइ छी माने तमे बुझिबो जे m और n भीतर जोटा बडो. ओके. मैक्स ऑफ m एंड n दिया इक्वल माने हम बुझबा जे m और n भीतर जोटा बड़ अछि. Okay guys, is it clear to you? Let's move forward. Let me check the chart. Which one? Oh yes, I explained it just now. Is it clear to you? I explained it just now. अच्छा डाउट आसला कोट डाउट आसला 6 पॉइंट दिस पॉइंट वर्तमान तो बुझाइली जे ए यूनियन बी केतले मैक्सिमम होबो ए यूनियन बी केतले मिनिमम होबो. बीटा से तुम पिक्चोरियल देखो एटा ए सेट गोटे दिया अछि बी सेट दिया अछि. जेतले ए सेट बी सेट रे किछि एलिमेंट कॉमन रहबेनी दैट विल बी द मैक्सिमम केस. जेतले गोटे सेट आ गोटे सेट भीतर रहइबो दैट विल बी द मिनिमम केस. बुझियला प्ले कारण एठी मु एग्जांपल भी देछि. ए सेट रे एलिमेंट नेली A1, A2, A3 up to N. B set element nali B1, B2, B3 up to Bn. It is m number of elements are there. Here n number of elements there. When we write A union B, we have to list all the elements of A as well as B. So A1, A2, A3 up to n number of elements, B1, B2, B3 up to Bn, n number of elements. That will be m plus n. Maximum will occur only when there is no common element. And a common element है कौन होची? यदि दीटा सेट भितर किसी common element रहउछंती, आमे ताको लिस्टिंग कला बेले से common element में को थरे लिखुचे. So that the number of elements, total number of elements कमी जाउची. जेतेबेले किछि एलिमेंट कॉमन रहिबेनी नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आ कमियार नै सेतेबेले तुमके ए यूनियन बी टा मैक्सिमम वैल्यू दबो मिनिमम वैल्यू केतेबेले दबो ना जेतेबेले गोटे सेट आ गोटे सेट भीतर रहि जइबो एतो थर्ड केस टा ए सेट टा जेतेबेले बी सेट भीतर रहि गेला सेतेबेले हमके कोन दबो मिनिमम ओके ओके वेरी सर एक्सप्लेन मैक्स एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू क्वाइट द oh tuition was class end करतु okay guys I will end the class just now so rest of the things I will request BHSC Odisha to arrange another class for set theory so that I will explain all the concepts and problems I have given to you to the assignment and some problems I have a PPT I will explain you in the next class okay